Ooh, okay. Do you hear me? Okay, wait. Okay, so um um uh so we're gonna. This is motorcycle mayhem. It's inevitable. So okay, wait. Look at the chat. Hey, I heard you or not. I have the Samurai 5,000, 1,500, and then I have like 47,000 gears. So today I'm gonna be trying to we're gonna be trying to get 50,000 gears for this one. The turbine super bike. Ay. 329 na ho. Bang, 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 will I take you Okay, wait. Oh my god. Guys, we're going so fast. We're going like 204 miles per hour because our bike is so fast. Okay, wait. I need to turn. Turn. Okay. We're almost at 50,000. We're almost at 50,000. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Do not tell your turbine to Bruh. Oh my god. So turbine is not even good. I'm gonna buy the I'm going to turbine, bro. Turbine. Okay. Trick. Hyper. Bike. Good. I'm gonna say. Uh. 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 How do you upgrade your bike? What? This is global. How do you upgrade your bike? Oh, wait. Oh. And how about the Ducati Demon GP? Oh, 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 oh. Okay, wait. I'm just like not talking because I need to buy this Bugatti Demon GP. What do you mean DDGP? Bugatti Demon GP. Okay, I'ma buy this Bugatti Gym. I'm gonna buy DDGP. Yeah, Bugatti Demon GP is the best. That's 24,000 to sell it, bro. I need to test it real quick. That's actually that acceleration is bro, I literally can't control it. I cannot control it, bro. But at least the acceleration is good. It's better than the H2R. Then I have to pay for another like 4,000. He said it's the best. Because it has more acceleration, but this one look. Yeah, they have the so yeah. Okay, let me just sell this because now it's not. Now it's, bro. It was nice having you, bro. It was nice having you. It was nice. Bro, how do you upgrade your bike? How do you upgrade your bike, bro? Why there's so many? Why is there two Jakes? Where's the two Jakes? Bro, you are not no brain. No, I forgot. No, that's Jake. Jake Kenny. Jake Kenji. Jake Kenji. Okay. How do you even upgrade? Guess I have to find it out myself. No. Bro, I wish I could find it out, but I can't. Since there's not helping me. Bro, can I even upgrade my bike? That's why I can't upgrade my bike. Standard. Samurai 1,400. Why do they even add this? I think they're just going to rage bait us for our money. Bro, how do I ano my DDGP? How do I even upgrade my DDGP, bro? I want to upgrade it. Now I could buy this, but I don't know if it's worth it because ano. Also, I just spent like a lot, so yeah, I should get this. But wait, first I can get this again, but second it doesn't have a lot of speed, so I'm just gonna get this. But this looks so good. I want to get it, but I wanna get this. Okay, I wanna get this. Since I'm not gonna play this game anymore, I'm just gonna use if it's us more. It's just gonna look like it's my favorite, but no, it's not. It's time to. It's time to. But if I keep talking about Merlana, wait, I'm going to end the video because I'm really bored.